Hey guys, this is calculus formula. In this tutorial, we're going to solve an integral of a vector function. So this is a definite integral of the vector function r of t given as sine t, 6, 40. How do you solve this problem? So similarly, we treat each element in the vector function as the normal function we know for integral. Okay, so we first have our integral of our r of t. Okay, so we have sine t, 6, 40, right? And you want to find with respect to dt. Okay, so from 0 to 1. When I integrate this expression, what do I get? Integral of sine t will give me what? Cosine of the expression t, integral of 6 is going to give me what? 6t with respect to t. Take note of that. Then integral of 4t is going to give us what? We have 2t squared, right? Then we put in our limit of integration, 0 to 1. So when I put in 1, I'm going to have cosine of the expression 1, 6 multiplying 1, 2t squared multiplying, 2 multiplying 1 squared. This expression minus cosine of the expression 0 minus 6 multiplying 0 minus 2 multiplying 0 squared, right? Good. So cos 1, you just punch everything into the calculator, then you see what you get. So sometimes you don't need to add decimals, you can still leave it as what? Cosine 1, right? So instead of you to leave it in decimals, we just leave it to be cosine 1, right? So cos 1. Then this will give us 6. This will give us what? 2, right? Vector minus the vector. Cosine 0 is 1. This one is going to give us 0. This is going to give us what? 0 as well. So what do we end up getting? We realize that common terms are going to subtract. So I can make this form cos 1. I'll have 6, I'll have 2, right? Minus 1, 0, 0, right? So what do we get? We're going to get cosine 1 minus 1. We get 6, get 2. So our definite integral will simply yield cosine of 1 minus 1, 6, 2. And that is all. Thank you for being with me in this channel and also joining us in this video. Please do also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share.